Hey brats, so today I'm going to be talking you through how I did this shimmery butterfly look. I started by blocking my brows down and removing the excess glue around them with a spoolie, and then I'm going in with a lot of my luminizing primer, and then I'm going in with foundation after that, and then I'm contouring with cream contour, including my nose. And then I'm going in and highlighting with the same concealer, just a different shade. I'm going over my brows and I'm blending that all out with a sponge. And then after that, I'm going in with more foundation and just leaving a layer of it on there with a brush and then blending the edges out again with a sponge. I'm going in with a beauty blender, the fat side of the beauty blender, and I'm using these two shades to go right over the brows and kind of create like this contouring to warm the skin up before I'm going in with pink and a brush, and I'm really just building that color up and laughing at how crazy I look. I'm going over my nose, e-girl, blush area, chin, you know the drill. I'm going in with blue and I'm starting contour where you normally would, same brush, and I'm blending in between with purple just to make sure that the ombre is as natural and flawless as possible. And then in the eye area, I'm setting that whole area with green, building that color up, and going in with blue in the middle of my forehead. As you can see, my brows aren't covered entirely, but that's okay. I kind of wanted them to peek through a little bit. And then I'm going to tip my nose and around my mouth with yellow. And making sure to really blend the edges of these colors where they overlap. Going with blue on my jawline because I couldn't resist. And then I'm going in with, and I'm setting my face, and then I'm going in with the same brush and some more pink, and I ended up removing patches by accident, and then I made it on purpose, and I filled in the negative space with this shimmer, going and highlighting the nose, Cupid's bow, and all those places where I accidentally removed the powder. I'm just setting over my brows with the same shimmer, going in, and I'm using glue stick and putting these butterfly sequin things on my eyebrows. I'm going in and I'm doing a wing with orange eyeshadow and a thin angled brush, going in with a pink brush and that same concealer we used earlier, and tracing over to create this kind of cool looking wing. Concealer, negative space sort of freckles all over the face, lining them out with my finger, going over the brows to kind of mask that messiness, curling my eyelashes, using this mascara. On the lower lash line, I'm going in with this teal mascara, and then I'm going in with this beautiful gold gloss on my lips, and leaving them just really minimal. I'm going in with this beautiful glitter, and my brush still has some concealer, so I ended up kind of mixing together, and it looked really cool. And then I went over the brows as well with glitter. And then I'm adding these two pink sequins on my cheeks, one on my chin that's green. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think of it. I felt really pretty. I thought it was cute, and it just looked magical. I don't know what I'll name it yet. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, and this is also my TikTok where I did a shorter tutorial version of this. But yeah, see you guys later, and thank you for watching. Bye.